That time of the year for new Apple Watches. And I'm so excited because we have one early. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, helping you find the best smartwatch for you. You all know I'm a long-time Apple Watch user. It's really been an integral part of my staying fit. So I'm really excited to be diving into what the Series 7 has to offer, and today we're uploading 2 videos side by side. In this video, we'll unbox a Starlight Apple Watch Series 7 and compare it to the gold and silver aluminum watches from last year, as well as show you how to go from sporty to casual to dressy with just one watch. And in the other, I'll magically fast forward to a week later and give you my full review. Links to both videos are down below. Like and subscribe, grab some popcorn, and fasten your seatbelt. It's time to dive in to the new Apple Watch. I love the understated packaging of the Apple Watch. It's just a plain white box with Apple Watch embossed on it. To open it up, you just flip it around. See here, we've got the new Series 7 with a Starlight aluminum case, and in the size 41 millimeters. The aluminum Apple Watch comes in 5 new colors this year. Green is completely new. Blue and red come in different shades compared to the Series 6. Blue is lighter. Red has more jewel tones. Midnight replaces graphite and is closer to black with a subtle bluish tint. And finally, silver and gold are no more, replaced by this one color, Starlight, which we're unboxing today. To remove the sleeve, just tug on both sides like so, and voila! Always love the artwork inside, showcasing the different types of cases and colored bands. We've got 2 boxes inside, one containing the watch, the other the silicone band. Now, you're not stuck with a silicone band by default. If you order your watch online, you can pick any kind of case or band you might like, using the Apple Watch Studio. All right, let's get this box open. I can't wait to see the new watch already. It's here, wrapped nicely in this felt-like pouch. And here is our first glimpse of that Starlight finish. Inside this designed in California pouch, a quick start guide with some warranty information, and last but not least, a USB-C charging puck. Officially called the Magnetic Fast Charger to USB-C cable. Previously, Apple used to bundle a charger with a USB-A port. It also used to sell an optional magnetic charger with a USB-C port. This one is different. It's a fast charger, and together with the new Apple Watch Series 7, Apple is promising 33% faster charging speeds. But take note, it's a USB-C cable now, so you'll probably want to make sure you own one of Apple's 20-watt USB charging bricks also. Don't go anywhere because I have 3 bands that I want to show you, but first, a quick word from our sponsor, Anker. You know, as a tech reviewer, I'm very lucky because I get to play with new gadgets all the time. And as soon as I finish setting up my new Apple Watch Series 7, I'm going on a run with it. And this video's sponsor, the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro. It's powered by Anker's latest generation coaxial driver technology, ensuring clearer sound with even greater detail. Even Grammy winners approve of it. It's got Hear ID technology, which studies the way sound moves within my ears, as well as the level of in-ear pressure. So when I go for a run, it optimizes noise reduction based on my ears and my surroundings. Settings will change when it's just me having a quiet afternoon on my balcony. The Liberty 3 Pro earbuds have triple-point ergonomic shape and ear pressure relief. This means they stay comfortable even during my HIIT workouts at the park. When I'm out for much longer, I'm sure I can rely on the Liberty 3 Pro. They last up to 8 hours of continuous music sessions. I can power it up using its charging case 3 times over. Charging the case itself is easy. There's a USB-C port right here. Or some nights I just plop it down on a wireless charger. So when I can do long-haul flights again, I know which earbuds I'm packing. This case is also compact enough, so I've been bringing it with me everywhere. The Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro retails for just under $170. And if you'd like to learn more or order a pair for yourself, visit soundcore.com. Before the break, I told you that I picked out 3 bands that can best demonstrate how you can go from sporty to casual to dressy, all with one watch. For sporty, I picked the Nike Sport Loop in Summit White, which retails for $49. I like that both the Nike logo and the swoosh appear as prints on the nylon weave. I also like the touches of gray, so it's not just a plain white band. This band is perfect for working out because it's easy to adjust and tighten as you go. I chose a chartreuse top and black leggings, both from Lululemon, and my go-to running shoes, black Bondis from Hoka One One. How do I look? For my casual look, I picked the Apple Sport Band in Starlight. This came with my watch, but you can buy it separately for $49. It's also available sans a clasp called the Solo Loop, which I also have here, and is probably my current favorite because it's the comfiest of all of Apple's bands. Today, I'm pairing it with a preppy Polo Ralph Lauren long sleeve shirt, some skinny Topman jeans, and some well-worn canvas shoes from Brooklyn-based Greats. Finally, for my formal look, I took my buddy Justine's suggestion and picked out a modern buckle in chalk. This is a bit pricey at $149, but with it on, you can dress to impress. For this look, I'm wearing a semi-crisp broken-in white shirt from J. Crew, Benjamin Barker dress pants, and these white leather shoes from Givenchy. Which one was your favorite? I am by no means a fashionista, but I guess the point here is that with different bands, you can switch things up, and a little bit of creativity can help you make the most of your Apple Watch. I love that for the last 2 years, aluminum Apple Watches come in bold colors. I have footage of the red and blue from last year, and they were both exquisite. My problem is that it's a bit harder to pair bands when you have a watch with a bold color like, say, the blue one, unless you're like me and have a dozen different variations on a blue band. Which is why I think a neutral color like Starlight is a good choice. Previously, we had gold and silver, but now Starlight kind of replaces the two. Before we make any comparisons, I'd describe Starlight as a light cream color. It's very nice, actually. Depending on the light, it can look silver or gold. But now let's take a look at some side-by-side shots. You'll notice that the Starlight watch is closer to the silver model. The gold Apple Watch has more of a pinkish tone to it. By the way, while we're comparing, notice the much larger display on the Series 7 Apple Watch, the other big feature of this new watch. That 1mm size difference between all three watches is hard to tell, if at all, but it allows you to fit more onto a screen, from bigger buttons in this calculator app, for example, or the new full QWERTY keyboard. Having said and seen all of that, if Starlight isn't for you, don't worry, Apple still sells gold and silver aluminum Apple Watches. You just need to get the Apple Watch SE. And that was our Apple Watch Series 7 unboxing. If you'd like to find out more about this watch, all its new features, and whether or not I recommend that you go out and buy one, you should definitely check out our review video, which is also live on the channel today. There's also a link down below. The Apple Watch comes in various case materials: aluminum, stainless steel, and titanium. 2 different sizes, 41 and 45mm, and in 2 different configurations, GPS only or GPS plus LTE. Apple is also selling it alongside the Apple Watch SE and the Apple Watch Series 3. I know sorting through all of these choices can be quite overwhelming too, so don't worry, we're also working on a which Apple Watch to buy in 2021 video coming later next week. To make sure you don't miss any of the content that we have in store for you, make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload. Follow me on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff, and as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.